Hello, I'm Acharya Paulina. I'm a Blender artist and a studio artist. And in this video, we're going to be creating this very simple barrel here. I find that barrels are a great way to start learning 3D modeling. They're very easy objects to create. If you haven't watched my previous video of navigating inside Blender, you can always find that in the description below. So anyway, so let's get started here. I'm just going to create a new scene here. Now, when you start out with Blender and you have a new scene, to get rid of everything, just press A on the keyboard, which will select everything, and then press X to delete. Okay? So basically, we're going to still do the same navigation of holding down Shift and the middle mouse button for panning, middle mouse button to rotate, and then the middle mouse button to scroll for zoom. Okay? So basically, that's how we're going to navigate inside Blender. So Shift A, Mesh, and then we're going to choose Cylinder. I'm going to go into the X view right here, and we're going to press G on our keyboard and Z because we want it on the Z axis, move it up. S for scale, Z, so it scales it upwards. And so this is going to be our barrel. I think that's a little bit too high, so let's do it again. S, Z for shrinking it down just a little bit, and then we're going to move it to the, so it's resting on the floor here, so G, Z, and we'll just rest it on the floor. All right, so one thing to notice that I scaled this while I was in object mode. And what that does is it kind of messes up with the dimensions and the settings on the object. And to get proper chamfering and other editings on the object, you need to reset the scale, rotation, transform settings. So to do that, we just press Control A, and it'll come up with this little dialog box, and you choose just scale, because that's what we did. We just scaled. If you scale inside edit mode, it does not mess anything up. So, well, we scaled in object mode. Okay, so now we're going to go into edit mode. We can go up to edit mode right here. We're in edit mode, or you can tab into edit mode. Okay, we want to go into edge mode, which is right up here, or press 2 on the keyboard. I have to make sure that I'm still in the X view. Now, there's two ways that we can create a loop cut. Over here, there's a loop cut tool right here, and that will just create one loop cut, or 2, 3 loop cuts, whatever you want. Or you can hold the mouse over your object and press Control R, and that will give you a loop cut, and it will give you a little arrow here that you can move the loop cut up and down to different spots, or just right click to cancel the move command. All right, so now we have this loop cut here. We want to move our mouse over on this side so that we have more control, and press S to scale, and just scale it outwards. I'm going to scale it to maybe about there. Okay, so now we need to give it a bevel. Control B is bevel, and you're going to give it a bevel, and then use the middle mouse button to scroll and just give it a few more segments. All right, so this is going to be our barrel. We're going to go to polygon mode up here, or press 3 on the keyboard. You want to zoom in on the top part here, and I'm just going to move the mouse over here again. Press I for inset, E for extrude inwards, I for inset, E for extrude upwards. Now tab out of edit mode, right click on your barrel, and choose Shade Auto Smooth. There you go. There's your barrel. It's a very quick, very easy tutorial, and we just created a nice looking barrel out of a cylinder.